Hello and welcome to Daddy in the Kitchen, where I make tasty and healthy recipes for kids. Today we are making an amazing snack that's an all-time favorite with the kids. Yes, it's the fish cutlets. Let's first prepare the fish. I've taken 200 grams of sankara fish here. To this I'm adding quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder, some salt, sprinkle some water and nicely marinate this. So this needs to sit in the fridge for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, let's fry this. So this will take about 6 minutes to cook because this is a very light fish. So if you're taking any other fish, it will depend based on the type of the fish that you take. Once the fish cools, debone and deskin the fish. Make sure there are absolutely no bones and keep this ready. Next, for the coating, I have some breadcrumbs, which are basically made from 4 dry slices of bread and just pulsed in the mixie. Next, for the coating, crack open 1 egg, add some salt and lightly beat this and keep this aside. Next, I have taken 200 grams of boiled and mashed potatoes. So do not overcook the potatoes. To this, I'm adding 1 small onion that's finely chopped, 4 cloves of garlic, again finely chopped, some chopped fresh coriander, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of fennel powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala powder, some salt, about half a teaspoon. Remember, we've already salted the fish, and mix this all well. So this is a basic cutlet mixture with which you can make a lot of varieties of cutlet. So next time we are adding the cooked fish. So you can use even leftover fish, and also if you are making fish fry, you can just keep a couple of slices aside for making the cutlets in the evening. In case if your potatoes are overcooked and mushy, you can add some breadcrumbs little by little and make sure that the mixture is dry. Now let's shape the cutlets. Apply some oil onto your palms and take a small ball of the mixture and nicely press this and roll this into a ball. And flatten it using your palms. So don't make it very thin, otherwise it will break. So it should be about the thickness of a finger. So I'm getting some help here. Okay, now the cutlet mixtures are shaped. Next we are going to coat this. So first dip this into the egg and nicely coat it on both the sides. And put it onto the breadcrumbs and nicely coat it with the breadcrumbs using your dry hands. Otherwise your breadcrumbs will stick to your hands. So make sure your hands are dry and nicely press this so that the breadcrumbs get stuck to the cutlet. You can prepare this much ahead and keep it in the fridge in case if you have guests at home. But now we're just frying these immediately. And to fry these, just take some oil onto a pan, a shallow frying pan, and once the oil is hot, add the cutlets. So if you want, you can deep fry these, but shallow frying is much better because it will not absorb a lot of oil. And this just needs to cook for about a couple of minutes on either sides. So once it's cooked on one side, just turn gently and cook this on the other side as well. Wow, see, it's getting nice color on the bottom, so it needs to get evenly colored on both the sides. So gently cook this, otherwise this will break till it gets cooked. So this is an amazing recipe to use leftover fish, and it will just vanish the moment you take it out of the pan. Just with some ketchup, this will taste amazing, and even you can have it with mayo, so it will taste very good. Now this is almost ready. You can see how nicely it is colored on both the sides. Just remove this from the pan and drain onto a kitchen towel to remove some excess oil, and fry the remaining one similarly. Hope you liked watching this video and you'll enjoy making cutlets at home. Thanks for watching Daddy in the Kitchen, and for more such tasty and healthy recipes, do subscribe to Daddy in the Kitchen channel. Thank you.